Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm glad to see you. How do you do? Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? How have you been? What's new? What's going on? How are things? How's your day? How's your day going? Good to see you. Long time no see. It's been a while. It's been a long time. It's been such a long time. It's been too long. I'm so happy to see you again. Wow, it's so good to see you again. What have you been up to? I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Great, thanks. How are you? Not bad. You? Couldn't be better. How about you? Wonderful, thank you.